Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Ron's Keto Cafe and Low Carb Recipes with Ron. Today in 20 minutes or less we're going to be making Langostino lobster, and this is a pretty simple recipe. Basically we did a couple hot dog rolls today because that's all we had on hand, and low carb, not keto. And not even sure if it's low carb, but the only calories I had today was from the hot dog rolls, so I was really fine with it. So what we did with this particular recipe, we took the imitation lobster meat and we sauteed it in this pan with a little bit of heavy cream, not whipping cream, and then we put some fresh chopped up celery in it. And it came together pretty quickly, and then we added a little bit of butter in it for taste, and simple salt and pepper, and that was pretty much it. So let's continue on, and we'll come back and we'll talk about it. Over here, I was just checking them with the fork, and they're at done. They removed it from the pan. They've got a nice clean pan now. We wiped it down, and then we cranked up the stove a little bit to about a medium, and now we got a couple of hot dog rolls, and I had a couple of these that day, and my wife had one. And then what I'm doing is I'm just putting a nice golden crust on the hot dog rolls, and everything came out great today. I just really enjoyed this particular meal, and would encourage you guys to just keep plugging along and just do the best you can, because that's all I'm doing. And remember, I'm really trying to get this weight off again, and also trying to keep everything healthy and low carb best I can, depending on our monthly budget, what I can afford for that particular month, that particular week. But and of course, the hot dog rolls are keto, and low carb maybe, but these are regular Wonder Bread hot dog rolls, and that's all he had on hand, and I was just using them up. So don't judge me judgmental of my food. It is what it is. But there are other options. I could make my own hot dog buns. I get it, but I didn't have enough material to make my hot dog buns that particular day, and it was just as easy to buy these particular buns the way they were and just fry them up. That nice golden color on he had hot dog buns. Yeah, the taste is really good. And again, just hang in there one more day, and hope you have an amazing day. And talk to you in the next one. And let's just finish up the video. Okay, so now that we get the hot dog buns set aside and done, then we're going to add a few more slabs of butter into the frying pan. Add a little bit of celery, a little bit of onion, salt, pepper, everything all to taste. And these were frozen, that's why they had a little bit of freezer burn on them. And then after they cooked up a little bit, then I added the lobster, and then, imitation lobster, and a little bit of heavy cream. And it came out really, really good. And let's continue on. So these came out really amazingly well, and that's our final product there. But what happened was, I forgot to. I didn't forget. What happened was I thought I was filming it, and the camera cut out on me when I put it on the bun roll. And but I'll get better at it, and I've been getting better at it. But anyway, you guys have an amazing day. And of course, I always give it a thumbs up at the end if it was a good product, and it absolutely was. And of course, lobster meat can be kind of expensive, so this was the next best thing. But anyways, I'll talk to you on the next one.